Way, oh na na yeah. Odogwu is in love with you with his fine baby oh. Aisha nwaji anolu. Aisha fine well. She get everything where Odogwu they like. This love they quite serious oh. Alaji say one light a lie. Odogwu you know fi marry my daughter. You know be Muslim oh. Chai. Mama Odogwu say Aisha Igaya no mwamo Iburo nyuzo Christi. Love no they ask any question. Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. One love keep us together. If you be Hausa, we are one. If you be Yoruba, we are one. If you be Igbo, we are one. If you be Hausa, we are one. If you be Yoruba, we are one. If you be Igbo, we are one. Love don't cost a thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Mama, Aisha it go more flashing Chai, my tamam, Aisha I promise to love you forever. We go there together. Aisha my tamam, Odogwu, Aisha this love is sweet oh. Love no they ask any question. Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. One love keep us together. If you be Hausa, we are one. If you be Yoruba, we are one. If you be Igbo, we are one. If you be Hausa, we are one. If you be Yoruba, we are one. If you be Igbo, we are one. Odogwu and Aisha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl. Odogwu and Aisha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu and Aisha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu and Aisha. Aisha my Odogwu Aisha this love is sweet oh. My tamam Odogwu and Aisha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl oh. Aisha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl oh. Aisha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu and Aisha. Aisha my Odogwu Aisha this love is sweet oh. Odogwu and Aisha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl oh. Aisha. And Yoruba fi marry Igbo girl oh. Aisha. Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu and Aisha. Aisha my Odogwu Aisha this love is sweet oh. Odogwu and Aisha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl oh. Aisha.
Yay! Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Season greetings. I dey smell am. Christmas and New Year is around the corner. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Odogwu and
Aisha.
Alright, in case you want to wish your loved one
you
a
must
Merry
wish them
Christmas.
and you must wish them.
In case you need a comedy video from Odogwu and Aisha
you must need it.
to wish them season greetings, we are here for you.
Come
we
to
are the
our
light
DM,
plug for
call
you.
our numbers, we shall do it.
The number is on your
perfectly for you.
screen. WhatsApp us if you don't pick the call.
Remember
Better you
that
WhatsApp us.
the season for the celebration is to share love. So it is better that you come to us to share love to your persons.
Use us to extend love to that your loved one. Let us.
Share you love me.
I love you, baby.
Wish me Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
We are waiting for your call and your WhatsApp message. Let us use a very wonderful video to wish your loved one a wonderful Christmas and Happy New Year.
Yeah. Bye bye. Merry Christmas. New Year.